Hello guys, welcome back to Chobi Chemistry Studies. So Chukwubi came here is a medical student of University of Lagos. So based on popular demand, people have been asking, sir, how do I do change of course or how do I do change of institution? So in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how to carry out change of course or change of institution. Step-by-step processes on how to do change of course or change of institution. So let's get straight to it, guys. So I know right now that most of you have seen your Jamb score and some of you are not happy with what you scored and some of you are still wondering, I wrote well, how come I scored 160? I wrote well, how come I scored 192? I know that is what most of you are asking right now, but calm down, there's still hope. So in this video, I will be explaining to you how to do change of course or change of institution. But before we get into that, I want to explain why you should do change of institution or maybe change of course if you didn't really do well in this year's Jamb. So I know that most of you are going for medicine, radiography, nursing, and other highly competitive courses, but when you now checked your score, you saw that you didn't score up to 200, and you are wondering if your Jamb score can still guarantee you admission into that particular course you initially picked. So for those of you that want to study nursing, medicine, or any highly competitive courses, and you know that you didn't score up to 200, I would advise that you do change of course. Change of course if you know you don't want to sit for Jamb again next year, because I know that most of you are going for highly competitive courses, but after seeing your Jamb result, you know that you have a lesser chance of getting to that course. So if you know that you didn't score up to 200 and you're going for nursing, radiography, or highly medical courses, please advise that you do change of course. You can actually drop your Jamb score in the comment section and then write alongside the course you are trying to get into, and I will tell you if you can get into that particular course with your Jamb score. So now let's talk about how to do change of course or change of institution. So for you to do change of institution, you still need to visit a CBT center. You need to visit a CBT center. It's not something that you can do by yourself. So if you want to do change of course or change of institution, you need to carry alongside your Jamb registration form, and then I think that's all you need. Just carry it alongside with you, or even if you don't have your Jamb registration form again, you need to know your registration number, because that's what they will use to log into your portal to do the change of institution or change of course. Hope you understand. So that is what you need to do change of course. It's not something you can do by yourself on your mobile phone. So you need to visit a CBT center, and I think it costs around 5,000 to 10,000, I think so. So if you want to do change of course or change of institution, you cannot do it right now because Jamb have not really activated their Jamb portal. So you need to calm down around May, June, July to start doing change of course or change of institution, because you can't do it right now. You can't do it right now. So you need to calm down. So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for daily admission tips. I love you guys. Till your boy Chubi.